Are you battling unsightly cellulite and very curious about how to manage it and get rid of it naturally? If you are, I'm going to give you 5 steps to resolve cellulite that you're going to notice big changes within the first week. Stay tuned for this informative video. Welcome ladies, I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher. I'm so excited to have you join me here. I'm a naturopathic physician. Basically what that means is I address the root cause of various illnesses and diseases. And today I'm answering a ton of viewer questions, any questions with patients of mine in my practice about how do you get rid of cellulite? Like what is it? Why is it there? Why am I trying to do everything? I exercise, I eat really great, and ultimately it's still there. So I want to really resolve the questions that I get on a daily basis about cellulite, but more importantly, give you some very impactful tactical tools that you can implement immediately to help start to turn around your body's development of cellulite. So one of the things that's at play, ladies, that we can't manage, we can't reverse, and full honesty here, full transparency, is that our genes play a huge role in our cellulite production and the quantity of cellulite that we have. Now, that being said, you can look at your mom and you can look at your legs, and there can be big variances in terms of what that looks like, but you can do many things right now to change that. One of the first things that I always do in working with my patients is to really address the stress hormone. We actually have a hormone that is our stress response hormone. It's our fight or flight hormone. Many of us have learned in elementary, middle, and high school all about the biology and the kind of chemistry of our body. Cortisol is that hormone, and our management of cortisol becomes crucial in our limitation of cellulite formation. So that's a big aha moment for a lot of my patients, because when you have imbalanced cortisol, either too high or too low, your body actually creates more cortisol. It actually creates a situation. Cortisol is an inflammatory, and it floods the system, and the body stores excess cortisol as cellulite. So cellulite is really an indicator of cortisol imbalances. Now, there are tests that you can take. I actually run adrenal stress testing, which is a way of using saliva to measure your cortisol in the morning, lunchtime, dinner time, and evening time. And so I'll provide a link down below if you want to manage your cortisol by first identifying where those levels are throughout the day. Now, the second thing at play with cellulite is toxicity. Often we have toxic exposure through foods we're consuming, plastics that we're eating from, plastic water bottles, chemical exposure, hair dyes, nail polish, a ton of different things you wouldn't even think about. But basically all the ingredients in your skincare products, your dental, eye care products, makeup, and food that have very weird, kind of chemically sounding, hard to pronounce names. Well, those are chemicals and toxins that are bombarding our system, and the body is storing it as cellulite. The other thing at play is your lymphatic system. I am a lymphatic drainage therapist. That's one of my specialties, is harnessing the power of the lymphatics and promoting it for folks that have poor functioning lymphatic flow. And one of the things that I love to incorporate is promotion of the lymphatics. There are 2 steps to that. The first step is to incorporate a homeopathic, like this Lymph Stim. This is a professional grade homeopathic medication. They are liquid drops that you can take. I'll provide a product link down below to my store where you can purchase this. Then the second step is dry skin brushing. And I'm not going to go through a whole guide, but I actually have a free download. Click there and it'll walk you through the steps of dry skin brushing. But it basically is utilizing a dry skin bristle brush to promote the lymph flow and to reduce the cellulite and the appearance of cellulite and the toxicity that's all harbored in that system. And the other aspect here is you want to promote your liver detoxification, especially when it comes to balancing our hormones. A lot of times we have hormone dysregulation. If you're curious about that, watch this video. Hormone dysregulation is actually quite prevalent for women. Many men have it as well, but it's very big in terms of an underlying cause for the appearance of cellulite. So by balancing your liver, you're actually able to help process out and break apart certain highly bonded estrogens and other hormones that are causing hormone disruption, that's kicking off the stress response, that's then harboring cortisol in cellulite, and we get that kind of ridged, kind of cottage cheesy-like appearance on our legs and our butt. And the last and final step is exercise. There's really two wonderful ways of exercising. I find low impact walking is really beneficial, and then rebounding. I find rebounding is both quick and impactful in terms of its cardio impact, but also hugely beneficial for the lymphatics. And if you want to check out a rebounding video, check that out. I actually have more to follow, but rebounding can be really great for folks suffering from cellulite. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up letting me know you like this content. If you have any questions or any other kind of health concerns, message me below. I'd happy to answer them in future videos. And I hope you'll join our July #40OverTheRainbow contest. I'll link contest entry points down below where you can join and potentially win one of our daily prizes, which is a 15 free minute consultation with me, and the global longer term prize. We will choose one winner for the whole entire month. It's going in this little piñata that you might not be able to see in this video, but I hope you'll join that. And thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. I have another video coming your way very soon.